2025 Honda Civic Sport Hatchback. The question is, do you like or love this color? Terry Hatfield Markham, aka Honda Terry C, because I definitely got your key. I was really just waiting for it to get all cleaned up and standing tall before I displayed this for you, showcasing the Civic Hatchback here, the Sport Edition. Gotta love those black rims and the black side mirrors. But the Sand Dune Pearl is debuting here at Fred Anderson Honda, and you're either gonna like this color, love this color, or not like it at all. It's debuting here, and I'm basically asking for your comments and your thoughts. What do you think? I would love to hear your opinion about this color. I have to be honest with you, when I first seen it, I immediately went back to the CRV days. And I'm thinking, why did they do that? But after they cleaned it up and it got all nice and shiny, it's growing on me, I have to tell you. And I think we may have a winner here. Now, obviously, the more I look at it, the more I think about coffee. Am I right or am I wrong? I mean, you tell me. You know, you're looking at the close-up, it does give you that pearl effect in the sun, which enhances the color. You know, it gives you a similar effect that the Urban Gray and the new Blue Lagoon give you, with that nice contrast with the black, and it really makes that black pop. That black really pops. The side mirrors, piano gloss black rims, the black trim on the bottom. I'm telling you, it pops. Black around the windows, the sash. I mean, the more you look at it, the stronger this color gets in your eyes and more appealing it becomes. The grille effect, the front end, I'm telling you, it's growing on you. I know, I can hear a lot of you saying, nope, can't do it. Now hold on, let's go inside, because when you get inside, everything changes. The old saying's still true, they're all the same color when you're driving them. And that doesn't change, because on the inside, it is the dynamic interior of every new 2025 Honda Civic Sport Package. All the nice features, the sport seats, the leather trim seating, the contrast light and dark gray stripe down the middle. You just got to take it in stride. The honeycomb dash, the gloss black trim, leather wrapped steering wheel, and the leather wrapped shift. You're not losing anything as far as space or features. You're just gaining a new color option. Now watch when I zoom out here. Let the color absorb in your eyes there, and look at that. Obviously we've tinted the windows on this, and the black really stands out strong. on that sand dune pearl and the black trim on the bottom. Oh yeah, I'm liking it. But the reason we buy this Civic Sport hatchback is for all the features on the inside. Of course, we got the privacy cover with all the extras that come with it. Fold down seat 60/40 and all the space it provides. All that room for the hatchback. Sand dune pearl. Blind spot indicators. Keyless entry. Pound for pound, I still have to say the Honda Civic Sport, whether you go with the hatchback or the sedan, is still the best looking vehicle on the road in its class, safest and the most productive, lowest cost of maintenance, most reliable. Hey, look, it is what it is, and that's why we sell so many of them here at Fred Anderson Honda. 150 horsepower, 2-liter direct injection 4-cylinder engine, continuously variable transmission. It does have paddle shifters, 4-wheel disc brakes, the front McPherson strut suspension, rear multi-link suspension, electric power steering with sport mode. So many features that come along with it. Safety, let's talk about safety. Driver and front passenger airbags. You have the driver and front passenger side airbags, the rear side airbags, side curtain airbags, and rollover sensor. Driver and front passenger knee airbags. Driver and front passengers, plenty of legroom for both. I'm 6'4", 230, 225 on a better week. So I got plenty of legroom. Would even consider owning one. So, height is not a block as far as comfort and driving capability on this. So don't let that stop you. Vehicle stability assist, anti-lock braking system, tire pressure monitoring system, LED daytime running lights. So much, that comes along with this for safety. Most importantly, the ACE body structure, which is patented by Honda. So you got all of that to benefit you while you're driving this vehicle, and so much more. I could go on and on about the benefits of this vehicle. You just have to come and test drive it and let us go over all the details. In addition, here at Fred Anderson Honda, free lifetime oil changes, free loaner cars, free car washes after service. When you hit 50,000 miles, you get loyalty discount, which gives you, in addition to the free lifetime family plan services, an additional 10% off additional services. So we have you covered here at Fred Anderson Honda. So give me a call. That's my number right there at the bottom of the video. Look forward to going over more details. Power windows, one-touch passenger and driver side. Easy to find controls for your personalized vehicle settings, and easy to read dash display, digital readout for your miles per hour. Honda sensing with your collision mitigation, and your lane keeping assist and your distance pacing. And going on over, you got your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, media, and your Bluetooth technology. Plenty of options there. You got your heated side mirrors and different options here for your drive modes. Right there, cup holders, plenty of storage capability in this vehicle. You never have to go without having plenty of cubbyhole space. So nice honeycomb dash here, allowing the air to flow but also hiding the vents. That's a nice feature too. Let's schedule your test drive appointment right now.